Hi guys! Happy Tuesday! Kamusta kayo lahat? Welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about people who are renting and people who are in mortgage. Meaning, they have a house. They bought a house. So for my opinion, again, there's pros and cons, right? So, yung mga taong bumili ng bahay, they have to think about their property tax, maintenance if they live in a townhouse, utilities. If something breaks in their house, obviously they have to pay for it. Meanwhile, yung mga nagre-rent, they only have to think about is their rent. Sometimes utilities includes with their rent, but some you have to pay for your own, right? So, ang difference nun, obviously, down the road, if you have a house, that's a good investment kasi hindi nasasayang yung binabayad mo. But if you're ready for the other bills, like mortgage, property tax, maintenance, then go for it. But if you don't want that responsibilities, and then you can just rent. Pero sa economy right now, it's so hard to rent kasi mas mahal yung pagrerenta sa pagkakaroon ng bahay. So, medyo bias. Mahirap i-place yung sarili nyo kung saan mas okay or mas hindi. Or mas okay or sa hindi. Kasi, depende yun sa income din nyo. Diba? So yun lang po. Kung gusto nyo mag-rent, kung gusto nyo mag-own ng bahay, it really depends sa budget nyo. Kung meron kayong savings, kasi medyo mahal pag nag-start kayo sa bahay. So, yun lang po. I hope you find this video helpful. Till next time!